Hi, I'm Altasciences.
And I'm a Standard CRO.
What are those, Stan?
These, they're my letters to Santa, which have all been returned. Now, who's gonna help me with my wish list?
Chris Kringle might not be available, but I know another Chris who is. Meet Chris Perkin, our CEO.
Hi, Stan. Perfect timing, because I have got a gift for you.
An extension cord. It's just what I wanted.
Right, so now you have the power to extend into other services and phases of drug development. Of course.
Oh, adding all those services? That's too much work. No, this is for my fax machine. Now I can roam even further and still stay connected.
Clearly, Stan will be having a happy holiday season.
And we hope you do too. Whether you're celebrating with family and friends or taking some much-needed time to rest and reflect, we hope this season brings you peace, joy, and a sense of renewal. From all of us,
Happy holidays.